Welcome to our Data Cloud crash course from Decision Foundry, Salesforce's premier data cloud delivery partner. This course is broken into 3 learning objectives. In Module 1, we'll cover an overview of what Data Cloud is, key features, benefits, and discuss what is identity resolution. In Module 2, we'll explore the key functionalities of Data Cloud, such as data ingestion, the Customer 360 data model, mapping data objects, and data segmentation and activation. Lastly, in Module 3, we'll explore practical applications of Data Cloud, common challenges, and provide some best practices. Module 1. Understanding Salesforce Data Cloud. Businesses today are drowning in a sea of data. With the exponential growth of digital technologies, we're generating more data than ever before. From customer interactions, transactions, social media, IoT devices, and more. But this data is scattered across different systems, platforms, and departments, making it incredibly difficult to access, analyze, and make sense of it all. This data fragmentation hinders our ability to make informed decisions, leading to missed opportunities, wasted resources, and a lack of innovation. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. You can't see the complete picture. We need a way to connect the dots, to bring all this disparate data together and unlock a unified view of our customers and business operations. Salesforce Data Cloud is a platform that aims to address this challenge. At its core, Data Cloud is an open and extensible platform that integrates seamlessly with any system, allowing you to connect with modern data technologies like data warehouses and data lakes, and even integrate custom AI models. With Data Cloud, you can connect to all your customer data at hyperscale, transform and harmonize data into a common data model, and form a unified customer profile, a single source of truth for every customer. In essence, Data Cloud provides a unified data management platform that helps businesses bring together disparate data sources, create a shared understanding of their customers, and drive data-driven decision-making. Data Cloud is designed to be industry agnostic, meaning it can be applied to various sectors such as healthcare, finance, retail, and more. By providing a single platform for data management and integration, Data Cloud enables businesses to break down data silos, improve data quality, and gain a deeper understanding of their customers. Key features and benefits. Now that we've covered the what and why of Data Cloud, let's dive into the how. So, what makes Data Cloud so powerful? First, it's the unified customer profile. Imagine having a 360-degree view of your customers, with all their data from every source in one place. Next, it's AI-powered insights. With Data Cloud, you can unlock hidden patterns and trends in your data and make decisions that drive real results. And then there's real-time segmentation. You can segment your customers based on behavior, preferences, and more, and trigger automated actions to enhance their experience. It's like having a personal assistant for each and every customer. But Data Cloud isn't just about insights and automation, it's also about trust. With robust data governance and privacy controls, you can ensure compliance and build trust with your customers. And let's not forget scalability. With Data Cloud, you can handle massive amounts of data with ease and scale up or down as needed without worrying about performance. Finally, it's about integration. Data Cloud seamlessly integrates with Salesforce and external systems and extends with custom apps and APIs. It's like having a single, unified platform for all your data needs. So, what does this mean for your business? With Data Cloud, you can boost customer satisfaction, increase efficiency, drive revenue growth, and enhance collaboration across teams. It's the ultimate data solution for businesses that want to thrive in today's data-driven world. Unified profiles and identity resolution. A unified profile in Data Cloud is a comprehensive view of your customer that integrates data from diverse sources and systems. It's like a key ring, where each key represents a record from a different data source, linked together via rules that you establish. Each unified profile has its own universally unique identifier, or UUID. Unified profiles are essential because different systems capture different contact attributes, such as emails, phone numbers, and social media handles. To get an accurate and cohesive view of your customer, you need to reconcile these discrepancies. That's where identity resolution comes in. Identity resolution is the process of matching and reconciling data from different sources to create a single, accurate customer profile. It's an iterative process that involves understanding your data, configuring matching rules, setting up reconciliation rules, and validating your results. The goal of identity resolution is to accurately identify, match, and merge records that correspond to the same individual or entity, ensuring that all information about the customer is accurate and consolidated. Reconciliation rules play a crucial role in this process, specifying how to select the best value for saving to the unified profile in the event of conflicts. It's important to note that a unified profile from Data Cloud is not the same as a golden record. While a golden record merges the best data into a single view of a customer, a Data Cloud unified profile creates a more complex and comprehensive customer view, integrating data from diverse sources and systems and maintaining a complete data lineage. Unified profiles and identity resolution enable a deeper understanding of your customers, allowing you to deliver personalized experiences that meet their unique needs and preferences. Module 2. Key functionalities. Data ingestion. Connecting the dots between disparate data sources is crucial for driving business success. Salesforce Data Cloud is a platform that enables you to integrate, harmonize, and unify your data. To feed Data Cloud, we use various data ingestion processes. Data ingestion involves bringing in data from different sources without transformation. There are several ways to do this, including using SDKs or software development kits, which help developers get integration set up faster. Examples of SDKs include the Interactions SDK and Engagement Mobile SDK, developed by Salesforce to capture events from popular sources. Additionally, Salesforce offers many out-of-the-box connectors, which are pre-built integrations that connect other Salesforce products to Data Cloud and are more plug-and-play in nature. For data sources that aren't covered by SDKs or connectors, the Integration API allows developers to build integrations from scratch. This flexibility ensures that you can bring in data from any source, no matter how complex. Once the data source is connected, a data stream is then created to extract this data from the source and bring it into Data Cloud. The data that comes in through a data stream is written to a data lake object, where it's ready to be mapped to a data model object. And that's just the beginning. With your data unified and flowing into Data Cloud, you've laid the foundation for a deeper understanding of your customers and business. Now it's time to shape that data into actionable insights. In the next section, we'll explore how data modeling helps you create a clear and accurate picture of your business, setting the stage for informed decisions and strategic growth. Data modeling and mapping. Now that we've tackled data ingestion, let's elevate our data game with the next critical step: data modeling and mapping. This is where we add structure and organization to our data, using standard or custom data model objects to create a unified view that's both comprehensive and crystal clear. But what exactly is a data model? Simply put, a data model is a conceptual representation of our data, outlining the relationships between different data entities and defining the structure of our data. It's like a blueprint for our data, providing a clear understanding of how our data is organized and connected. With a well-defined data model, we can ensure consistency, accuracy, and scalability across our data landscape. At the heart of Salesforce Data Cloud lies the Customer 360 Data Model, seamlessly integrating data across Salesforce apps and external sources. This provides a consistent framework for data management, ensuring harmony across applications and business processes. It's the foundation that holds the data ecosystem together. With our data model in place, the next step is to connect the dots and make our data truly impactful. And that's where mapping comes in. Mapping is where we connect our data streams to data model objects, DMOs. DMOs provide the structure and organization for our data, defining the relationships between different data entities. With mapping, we can ensure consistency, accuracy, and scalability across our data landscape, driving insights, segmentation, and activation with confidence. Understanding relationships between data model objects is crucial when mapping in Data Cloud. This allows us to efficiently retrieve data, create single customer views, and make informed decisions with confidence. Grasping how our data relates reveals new opportunities, optimizes processes, and delivers exceptional customer experiences that leave a lasting impression. Data modeling and mapping have laid the groundwork for a unified data strategy, setting the stage for informed decisions and business success. Now, we're ready to unleash the full potential of our data, and we'll examine the next crucial step in this journey: data activation and segmentation. Data activation and segmentation. In Data Cloud, segmentation and activation are two crucial processes that help us understand and target our customers effectively. But what exactly are they? Segmentation is the process of filtering data to create useful buckets or populations to understand, target, and analyze customers based on their interests, behavior, and purchase history. It's about grouping customers with similar characteristics together so we can tailor our messaging and engagement strategies to their unique needs. Activation, on the other hand, is the process of deploying these defined segments to activation channels, such as Marketing Cloud or B2C commerce. It's about taking those groups of customers and sending them the right message at the right time through the right channel. Segmentation is identifying the target audience, and activation is delivering the message to that audience. In Data Cloud, we set up activation targets, such as Cloud File Storage or Marketing Cloud, to deploy our segments. We then create audience data model objects to analyze and understand our activated audience over time. When setting up activation targets, we can choose from various options, including Cloud File Storage, Marketing Cloud, B2C Commerce Cloud, external activation platforms, Marketing Cloud Personalization, and Data Cloud. Depending on our specific use case, we select the activation target that best suits our needs. Think of activation targets as the delivery mechanism, while audience data models are the analytics engine. Together, they help us refine our segmentation and activation strategies, driving better customer experiences and business outcomes. Segmentation and activation are the dynamic duo that enables us to deliver targeted, personalized experiences to our customers, driving business growth and success. Module 3: Practical Applications. Real-world success stories. In a world overflowing with data, understanding your customers is the ultimate competitive advantage. Salesforce Data Cloud is the solution that helps businesses make sense of it all. Data Cloud connects data from every source, creating a single, unified view of each customer and enabling personalized experiences that drive real business growth. Let's look at an example of how businesses are using Data Cloud to transform their businesses. The business, a North American premier automotive dealership, offering a diverse inventory of new and pre-owned luxury vehicles. Our team at Decision Foundry helped this dealership achieve a data-driven transformation using Data Cloud. We created a single view of their customers, enabling personalized marketing and predictive insights. The results? A 38.5% higher open rate than the industry average, 86% consolidation rate of unified profiles, facilitating more targeted and relevant campaigns, over 50 segments created in Data Cloud, and a 70% decrease in opt-out rate. This real-life story shows how Data Cloud can help companies create a deeper understanding of their customers and deliver experiences that meet their unique needs. With Data Cloud, businesses can build stronger relationships and drive growth. Common challenges. As we navigate the complexities of data management, we're often faced with challenges that can slow us down, lead to errors, and hinder our progress. From tangled data hierarchies to duplicate records and massive data migrations, these obstacles can seem insurmountable. But what if we could overcome them? Today, let's explore three common challenges in Salesforce Data Cloud and discover how we can conquer them to achieve data-driven excellence. Complex data hierarchies can be a major obstacle in Salesforce Data Cloud. We deal with intricate relationships between data entities, such as multiple levels of account hierarchies or complex product structures. To overcome this, we must implement robust data modeling and mapping strategies, ensuring that our data is structured and organized in a way that supports our business requirements. Data quality suffers when duplicate records and overlapping datasets are present. Duplicate records, overlapping datasets, and inconsistent data entries can lead to inaccurate insights and poor decision-making. We must develop effective data cleansing and deduplication processes, leveraging tools and techniques like data validation rules, data matching algorithms, and data quality dashboards. Large-scale data migrations and consolidations are inherently challenging, requiring meticulous planning and execution. With massive datasets from multiple sources, precise data transformations and rigorous data quality checks are crucial. Adopting a phased approach, utilizing data migration tools and techniques like data warehousing and ETL processes can help ensure a successful migration. In overcoming these common challenges, we've laid the groundwork for achieving data-driven excellence in Salesforce Data Cloud. But how do we ensure long-term success and continued data quality? In the next section, we'll explore best practices for Salesforce Data Cloud, providing actionable tips and techniques to help you optimize your data management strategy and maximize the value of your data. Best practices. When working with Salesforce Data Cloud, it's essential to follow best practices to maximize its potential. Let's explore three key areas to focus on. First, planning your use case is crucial. Before diving into segmentation, define your goals, objectives, and desired outcomes. This ensures you're not wasting credits on unnecessary segments. Take a step back, assess your needs, and create a clear plan. Consider your business objectives, what questions you want to answer, and what insights you need to gain. Think about your target audience, their behaviors, and preferences. Second, don't rely on Data Cloud reconciliation to dictate the correct contact point. Data Cloud is not designed to rationalize, deduplicate, merge, or pick contact point winners. Instead, use Data Cloud to identify potential issues and then apply your own business logic to resolve them. Relying solely on Data Cloud reconciliation can lead to inaccurate or incomplete data, which can negatively impact your marketing efforts. You must maintain control over your contact data and make informed decisions about which contact points to use. Third, the standard data model may not be enough to meet your unique business needs, so it's crucial to assess its limitations and determine if an extended data model is necessary. Gaps in the out-of-the-box model can hinder your ability to capture crucial data, while unique attributes or relationships may require custom fields, objects, or relationships. Evaluating your specific business processes, requirements, and regulatory needs will help you determine if an extended data model is necessary to capture precise data and drive informed decision-making. Following these best practices will help you reach the full potential of Data Cloud. Planning, ownership, and a solid data model are key to success. Remember, taking the time to get it right up front will save you time and resources in the long run. With a well-planned approach, you'll be able to drive more effective segmentation, activation, and analysis. This concludes our crash course. Learn Data Cloud in 20 minutes. Learn more about Data Cloud and other Salesforce Cloud products on our website, decisionfoundry.com.